how much should you actually spend on radiator flushes? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the more expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Prestone AS105 Cleaner. First up is the Prestone AS105 Total Cooling System Cleaner. This caught my attention with its 2-in-1 formula priced at $12.99. If you want a reliable solution that tackles both light flushing and heavy-duty cleaning, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for all cooling system metals, making it safe to use without worrying about damage. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 2,300 reviews, it's clear that many users trust it to restore their cooling system's efficiency. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for larger systems. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard vehicle, the 22 Oz bottle should do the trick just fine and still leave you with good results. This is perfect for you if you're looking to prevent overheating without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a larger vehicle that requires more product, but for the average car, the value is great. Now, if the size issue bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EP Auto Spill Proof Funnel Kit. Next up is the EP Auto Spill Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit, priced at $20.87. What stood out to me is how it prevents spills and trapped air, which can really mess with your cooling system's performance. If you want to make filling your radiator easy and mess-free, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Trapped air can lead to erratic cooling and heater performance, something you definitely want to avoid. This funnel kit allows for precise filling with its 5-inch extension bar and 45-degree elbow, making it easy to access caps that are hard to reach. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 20,200 reviews, it's clear this is a favorite among DIYers. Now, some users found that the plastic feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're gentle with it while using, it does the job effectively and is way more affordable than a professional service. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently works on your own vehicle and wants to avoid mess. Skip this one if you prefer a more durable material, but for the money, it delivers excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a cleaner solution. Product number 3, Liqui Moly Radiator Cleaner. Coming in at number 3 is the Liqui Moly Radiator Cleaner, available for $13.80. This little 300 ml bottle caught my eye due to its strong reputation for cleaning and maintaining cooling systems. If you want an effective cleaner for your radiator, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Liqui Moly's cleaner is designed to remove dirt and deposits that can accumulate over time, which can lead to overheating and reduced efficiency. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, users rave about its effectiveness in keeping their radiators clean and functioning properly. Now, some users mentioned it doesn't come with a measuring tool. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, you won't need it to get great results. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution to clean out your radiator without any fuss. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger volume, but for a smaller application, it's a solid choice. Now, if you want something more comprehensive, the next product might suit your needs better. Product number 4, Smart JERRY Coolant Bleeder Kit. Next up, we have the Smart JERRY Coolant Bleeder Kit, priced at $22.99. This one really caught my attention with its no-spill feature and multiple adapters. If you want a complete kit that makes flushing your system easier, this is worth a serious look. With an impressive 4.5-star rating from 439 reviews, it's shown to be highly effective for various vehicle types, thanks to its multiple adapters and caps. Now, some customers found it a bit complicated to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency it offers during coolant changes is unbeatable, making it a worthwhile investment. Skip this one if you want something simpler, but for the included features, it offers great value. And finally, we have a classic cleaner option that some might find appealing. Product number 5, Blue Devil Radiator Flush. Last but not least is the Blue Devil Products Radiator Flush, priced at $8.99. I like this one for its advanced cleaning power. If you want to ensure your radiator runs smoothly and lasts longer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cleaner is specifically designed to remove rust, scale, and grime that can build up over time. With a 4.5-star rating from 502 reviews, users appreciate how well it extends the life of their vehicle's cooling system. Now, some reviews mentioned it might take longer to see results than expected. Here's the thing though, patience pays off when it comes to properly cleaning your system. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective cleaner for your radiator. Skip this one if you're in a hurry and need immediate results, but it's a steal for its price. So that wraps up all 5 options. Whether you want a simple cleaner or an all-in-one kit, there's something here for everyone. So to quickly recap, we've got the Prestone AS105 for its versatility, the EP Auto Funnel for mess-free filling, the Liqui Moly Cleaner for straightforward cleaning, the Smart JERRY Kit for no spills, and the Blue Devil Flush for budget-conscious users. Each one has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.